then probably we come to one of the most awe-inspiring part of Indian music. One word, come on, you can give it to me. What makes Indian music the most sought after in the world? And that is rag. Not raga, please. Okay, because we are too often, used to hearing it as raga, but it's rag. I like to call it rag. So if you look up a dictionary of Hindustani music, I'm telling you that definition is a little scary. A melodic scheme characterized by a fixed set of notes, order of sequence of these notes, forget it. Rag, and all of you can recognize rags, and the moment somebody can recognize a rag, we think he's a demigod. He recognizes rags. And you're envious, all envious. Not difficult at all. Let me show you how. Just think of it as a recognizable tune. I would say rag is a recognizable tune with a fixed set of notes, and that is universally appealing. So, listen to these three tunes. आंसू भरी है निगाहें मिलाने को, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं. Sound same? Same rag. And I say, why don't everybody, keep a little notebook with songs, left-hand side column, right-hand side column, which rag is it? And over the years, just expand it. So tomorrow, if you go to a Hindustani music concert and you hear the artist doing, you say, hey, that sounds like Nigahe Rag Yaman. So you look at your neighbor and say, yaar, Yaman chal raha hai. And most cases you'll be right, believe me. If somebody tells you, Madhuban mein Radhika nache, just remember this little tukra and write it in your book, Rag Hamir. You go to a concert, sounds like Madhuban mein Radhika, Rag Hamir. This is the way to learn about rags. Keep that notebook and pencil ready. And you go all over, right from your childhood, you're hearing rags. When you go to marriage, how many times have you heard that? But did you write in your book, Rag Malkaos? And why only that? What about the patriotic tunes we have? Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Rag Des. So we are surrounded by it. And some people have asked me, what does the younger generation do? I mean, we probably, in my generation, we had that whole wealth of Hindi film song to fall back upon. What does the younger generation do? You'll be surprised. Listen to this phrase. Sa pa ma pa ga ma re sa. Rag Bhairavi. Dhoom machale, dhoom machale, dhoom. It is completely and totally Rag Bhairavi. Sa ni sa, pa ni sa ga re ni sa, pa ni pa sa ni ga re ni sa. Rag Bhimpalas. झलक दिखला जा, एक बार आजा, जा, 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 जा. Yeah, but all these songs can be extremely useful. Because you have to use the language of the youth. You cannot expect them to relate to anything else. Other tunes you could use, Oh, you've been hearing that? Come on. Okay. Gama padani nani da padani sani sadhani pada sani da pa. Rag Khamaj. La 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 le yo, la 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 le yo. Pa 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 dha pa sa ga 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 re sa. Rag Bhop. So all these, I know it spoils the romance of the tune a bit by calling it Rag. But yes, there's hope for the younger generation. You just have to get them, use their language, and rope them into the magic of rag. That's not all. Western music, Beatles. Sa ga ma da ni sa ni da ma ga ma ga re sa. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. Sa re sa ni da ni sa ga ma da ni sa da ni sa ma ga re sa ni da ni da ma ga re sa. Rag Bhageshri. So it's all over. You just have to tap combination of notes, find the rags, and pass on the magic to the younger generation. And they will start recognizing rags. Now in our rags, as you know, the Rishi Munis who really meditated on these rags found that certain rags are for the morning, certain are for the evening, certain rags are for the monsoon, certain rags are for midnight. And so what are all these seasonal time connections? Are they random? But I suppose, as I said again, the Rishi Munis have dwelt on this, they have meditated on this, and found at a certain point of time in the day, you have certain body vibes. And these notes gel with it. So whether it is, Bhairav in the morning, ga ma da da pa ga ma re re sa, is the mood you have, the silent mood you have in the morning. And about emotions in Hindustani rags, I did a workshop where I once tried to give a mood like this. And I asked the students to guess the mood. Mistake of mine, but I tried. Sa re ga pa ni sa ga re ni pa ga re sa. With a smile on my face. I said, what mood did you detect? Deep pain. So I said then, sa re ga ma re ga. What is this? But made me realize one thing, that of course you need a little bit of cultural training, and you have to show the light. It will not happen automatically. You have to show the connection before. And talking about our Hindu philosophy, most of our classical music does sound rather somber, meditative. It's for attaining a higher level. So it may not be out and out happy, sad, melancholy. It's a very complex and